Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to extending your CapCut video by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do here now is just go open the CapCut application. Hold on. And this is the when you already open it, and you can just start with a new project here and find out what video that you want to add into your project. Okay, for example, I would like to have this. And then I just click add. Now we already have the projects here, and I would like to extending the length of this video. You can see that the duration of this video is 10 seconds, and the way I extending this video is just so simple. You can just now click the clip, and after that you just need to go into the speed, going into the normal speed, and now you can just change from the normal speed going to the left side to make it slow. You can make it like 0.7 or 0.6 so that it's not gonna be that too slow. You can see after you're done, just need to click done. Now the duration is already extended from 10 seconds to 16 seconds, and let's see the result. The movement is not that slow. So hopefully this video is kind of like guide you so well, guys. So I really appreciate that if you want to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel. See you on the next video.